My favorite restaurant is Bukhara. I go there every week. I like going there with my friends. Thank you. Boring, right? Because most of the people do not understand that English is just a language. Any fool around the world can speak English fluently. Do not take it otherwise. I'm trying to say something else. Your goal should be I don't have to speak for the sake of speaking. I have to speak so that I could be remembered. Right? So don't just speak to be remembered. Without any further ado, how to do that? I'm going to share in this episode advanced communication technique, and that's called LOTS, language of the senses. So what are the five senses we should be using for advanced communication? Sight, smell, hearing, taste, touch. If I have to talk about my favorite restaurant is Bukhara. I love going there because of one reason. Dal Bukhara served with onion kulcha. Oh, it's scrumptious. You know, the first bite especially feels heavenly. If you talk about your favorite restaurant, simply name the dish. What did you have there? And people forget this. They forget to tell their listeners, their audience, that what did they have? Language of the senses. Let people taste. Let them feel what you are saying. Whenever people talk about their favorite movie, they simply say, my favorite movie is Raja Babu. I love this movie. I watched in 1990s. Oh, for God's sake, tell them why do you love it? Simply tell this. And people would feel. They should be able to visualize. Like when somebody asks me, oh, which one is your favorite horror movie? I say, The Ring. Why? Pay attention. Friends are sitting on the couch. They are watching TV. All of a sudden, screen goes blank. Then comes the phone call. Trin trin, trin trin. One of the friends goes and picks up the phone. Then there is a voice from the other side. 7 days. Now this is another mistake made by many people. Even if they're speaking correct English, nobody wants to listen to them because they're very dull. So simply be the most enthusiastic person in the room. I'm not asking you to yell. There's a difference between yelling and enthusiasm. I'm asking you to be enthusiastic. Even if your information isn't special, at least show that enthusiasm for God's sake, because enthusiasm is contagious. You would be able to grab their attention. They would hear you. Remember, language of the senses. Hear, touch, smell, taste, sight. So please speak in such a way so that people could feel you. If you're talking about your favorite restaurant, let's say your favorite restaurant is Khadku Ka Dhaba, right? So I went to Khadku Ka Dhaba. I love dal fry there. Dal fry with hot tandoori roti. Name the food. Tell them why you love this particular movie. Add anecdotes in your day-to-day conversation. Take care of your body language. And remember, language of the senses. Don't just speak to speak. Speak to be remembered.